Clear? Audio, video clear? Okay. Good. So today we will discuss. First of all, I want to tell, please don't be scared because I have added so many slides here and there are so many command and option are there and list is there. मैम आज थोड़ा slow. क्या slow है? क्या slow क्यों? Slow पढ़ाना. Slow कैसे? Slow नहीं हो सकता. कल first लग रहा था. अरे यूनिक्स कमांड से आपको 2 मार्क्स मिलेगा. 2 to 4 मार्क्स है तो उसको ज्यादा टाइम क्यों? Yes, too many commands are there. You have to learn. I will give you the idea, and I'll provide you the chart. I will provide you the PDF, and this is your duty to learn one by one. Every day, take 5 commands. Every day, take 1 command and all the option. Then after 1 or 2 weeks, everything will be easy to you. Got it? So I will discuss everything. I will give you the idea. After that, you have to do everything by yourself. Okay? Because I can't provide too much time for 1 or 2 questions, right? It is the 100% confirmed question. I will provide you everything. I will provide you the previous year's question and MCQ, and you have to learn it. It will take time to learn. That is okay. Okay, yes. So this is about myself. I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. I have 5 years industry experience. I have done my MCA, BSc Honours in Computer Science, and from last 15 years, I am learning computer science. I am on the field of computer science, and our strategy is less is more, right? That is the strategy, and for that strategy, we are learning Unix commands because from Unix command and Unix, there are 1 to 2 questions confirmed. That's why we are learning it, right? And this is the crash course ongoing. All of you learn enroll here. This is the weekend course, which is now today. Again, the weekend course will be next Saturday, and this is the practice PYQS. Enroll everyone, right? It was done yesterday. It was done. Kernel. Shell. Yes, yesterday I already discussed. This is the structure, Unix directory structure, right? This is the structure. So there has been just go through the structure once. Maybe they can ask, just go through the structure. Okay. Then this is the file layout. File layout means partition, and here disk partition. Now in the disk partition there is boot block, super block, free space, and inode and root. Okay. Mainly we have to learn what is boot block, what is super block, and what is inode. Okay. So inode, most important point is inode. Inode is actually index. Inode is actually the index node in the it is a data structure in the Unix file system. Okay, that describes the file system. See here, there are file descriptor. This is the file descriptor, and it is describing the file system. There are file table, read, write, which is the type, which is the mode, and where the file is storing. Everything it will work like the indexing. What we are doing in the indexing, same thing in the inode. Inode is the index node, and here each inode store the attribute and the disk block location of the object data. Okay, it is storing the attribute and the location. And file system attribute may be metadata like time of loss, change, modification. So actually all the related data, all the related information according to your file is stored in the inode. It is the index. Just remember that. Clear? No need to deep study. Deep study is not important here. Just you have to learn that what is inode. Okay. And it's a parent of each of its child. A directory contain an entry of itself, its parent, and each of its child. Okay. For all child it will store here. Now boot block. What is the boot block? Boot block located first few sectors. See here in the image, there is the boot block. Boot block is here, first few sector in the boot block. Right now, what is boot block doing? Boot block contains the initial bootstrap program. Means when our system is booting, first boot. When our system is booting, when we are starting the system, that is the boot sector. Right? When we are trying to format our machine. When we are trying to format our machine using any operating system, then we have to work on the boot sector. Right? Sometimes our virus are affected the boot sector. So that is the boot sector. Boot sector means the first block of your operating system. Clear? So this is the boot sector. So first sector contains bootstrap program, where the bootstrap program are there and read larger boot program. And new few sector are there. Now what is super block? Super block is record the characteristics of the file system, includes is size. Okay, it includes the size, block size, and empty, and field block, and respective means here extra information of the block. Is it field? What is the size? What is the free space? What is the count? Extra information is storing in the super block. Okay, super block is the record of characteristics of the file system. What is the characteristics? It is storing that. Some idea is clear? Idea is clear? Inode, boot block, super block, and data block. There is another block, that is data block. Data block mainly containing the data. Mainly containing the data, that is file content, data block. Okay. Now try to solve the question. Try to solve this question. Just now I have discussed everything. So this is the question why I was discussing. Try to participate on the poll, everyone. Surendra, Jyoti, JG, 2 Jyoti is there, and Jonan, 2 Jyoti correct, and Rajinder, Santosh, Sarita. Santosh, where is your friend? Share the link with your friend and tell her to join the class. Today she got the subscription, I think. Yes, share the link with her. Survi, Ruby, good, very good. Sunita, good. So clear, right? Easily you can solve boot sector, that is here contains boot program in the partition table. Now super block is containing the information about the file system, free list or inode list, right? And now inode block, what it is containing? It's contain the table, every file and file system, attribute of the file stored in the inode, and data block contain the operating system file will program all the data, right? That's why 2 is the correct answer, right? No confusion, I think, because we have already discussed what is this. No confusion, right? Yes. Now there is a concept of init. What is the init process? This is a very important concept of the Linux and Unix. Init process is the process ID which the process ID is 1. Init means how it is coming from the initial. From the initial, the word is coming from the initial, that is init process. Init process means process ID 1 and it is responsible for initializing the system, means when you are login. When the first user is login in the system, then the init process created. Okay, after the login, the init process is created. That is the initial process with the process ID 1, and in required way, init it started directly by the kernel. And it is registered the signal 9. Signal 9 means which normally kill the process. So using this 9 signal, it is killing the process. So after that, the init is going on. The init is stopped. Right? Using init, the process is start, and after the kill means if the process is killed. So all other program either started directly by the init or by the child process. Okay, means all the program have to finish their task, then it will kill the main process, that is the initial main parent. All the subchild, all the subdirectory, everything have completed its tasks, then the init process will kill. Okay, and init is the parent of all the process and execute by the kernel. I will already discussed. Done. Structure stored here, etc. This is the structure file where init process is stored, that is etc and init tab. Okay, here. And gits. Using the gits means using the gits, each line can log in. Means when you are logging, it is actually doing the gits. Okay, this is a point. And autonomous process required particular system means different process. Different process are there. Then it requires particular system for that process. Every time the process ID, main process ID 1 will be created. Vishwanath, welcome. Now, after reading this file, how the system should be set up, each the run level in the determine the init. Actually, remember that for the init, main concept is it is the parent process. That is the first concept, and the process ID is 1. And it is using execution and creation through the gits, that is the third concept, and all the child process will be done through the parent process, and after completion of all the child process, the parent process will be killed. Okay, that is the more 4 to 5 point important, that is init process. Okay, clear? Now try to solve this question. नहीं मैंने रॉन्ग मार्क नहीं किए. I know you all are confused. मैंने रॉन्ग मार्क नहीं किए सुरेंद्र. हाँ, confused. That's why concept. You are more concept. Little bit concept is required. You are confused, I think. This is a confusing question also. Only प्राची सारे ही करेक्ट लग रहे हैं. पोल नॉट विजिबल. ज्योति पोल वाज देयर. ठीक है चलो. हाँ, सारे ही ठीक लगा. चलो कंफ्यूज. यहाँ पे देखो what I told when the init is created. What I told, init is created after login. After login to the system, first the init is created according to the login shell. I told that after the login here when I was discussing, then I told that after the login the process is created, right? I told it. So after the login, when the init process is created, so tell me before the login is there not any process is running on? आप login करने के पहले आपका सिस्टम जब स्टार्ट होते हैं, when you are pressing the button, तो उसके पहले क्या होते हैं? बूटस्ट्रैप प्रोग्राम रन होते हैं क्या नहीं? बूट सेक्टर रन होते हैं क्या नहीं? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम लोड होते हैं क्या नहीं? होते ना? So is it the first process of the system? सिस्टम का फर्स्ट प्रोसेस कौन सा है? सिस्टम का फर्स्ट प्रोसेस इज फ्रॉम द बूट सेक्टर. फ्रॉम द बूट सेक्टर एवरीथिंग इज कमिंग. आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर द बूटिंग, आफ्टर द लोडिंग ऑफ योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, देन यू are able to log in. So after the login, the init process will create. But before the login, there are so many processes going on to load the operating system and to load everything from the boot sector, right? That's why it is not the first process. It is not the first process. It is the parent process of you, as you are the user. So as per the user, it is the parent process. Okay, so it is generally the parent of the login shell. Always remember, init is the parent of the login shell. Init always created after the login. Clear? Concept is clear? And it is the PID 1. ये तो correct है. And it's forks X and GT process. Fork, using the fork. When any process is called the fork, using the fork, we are creating new process. We know that fork command we have discussed in the operating system, right? For creating a new process, child process, right? Fork. So fork will create a new process under the process. So using the fork, execute the GT process every port connected to a terminal. It is also correct. So it is also correct. Only wrong is this. This is the wrong. It is asking not correct. Clear? GT process is actually a you can think like a init. Init is executing through the GT process. GT process आपको जानने के लिए बहुत पढ़ना पड़ेगा. तो GT process आप ऐसे ही याद रखिए. GT process means it is starting the not starting. It is executing the init. Means through the GT, init is starting. Through the here synapse spawn GT on the each line of the user can login. मतलब जब भी आपका लॉगिन हो रहा है तो कोई तो एक है जो आपको बोलेगा कि आपको init process क्रिएट करना है. हाँ, डिफरेंट टर्मिनल में आपको कोई तो है जो एक्सटर्नल डिवाइस कनेक्टेड थ्रू GT process. यस, मतलब आप लॉगिन हो गए तो आप लॉगिन हो गए, वो इन्फॉर्मेशन कहाँ से आएगा? ठीक है, when you logged in the system, then through which the information will be provided that you are logged in. Then your init will be created. So from the external, that is the keyboard. Where from the keyboard we are logging, we are entering our password. That is the external device. So keyboard is the external device. So using from the keyboard, the GT process is connected through the kernel. So it is sending the request to the kernel. Okay, the user is logged in. Now you have to create the initial process. That is the process ID 1. That is the concept of the GT process. Got it? Just think that keyboard is my external device and I am logging through the external device. I am typing my password. Then after that I am entering. So if my password is okay, then through the GT process it will be maybe internally it is sending some message to the kernel that the user is logged in. Then the first process will be created for the logged in user. Got it? That's why it is telling कि init fork and exits a GT process at every port connected to a terminal. एक terminal में जितना भी port है, बहुत सारा port we are using. There are so many ports. So for every port there are some GT process for maybe external. Why we are using the port? From the input to take the input, right, and to connect the external device through the port. And sometimes we are using port for the application. For any application, when you are starting any application, that is also the different process. When you are starting any application like Skype, like anything, that is the different process. So for that process also, it have to start. Got it? That is the GT. Got it? Yes. Now come to the useful command. Yesterday we have discussed some command, that is man command, using man command. Now there are link. Yesterday some confusion was there for symbolic link and hard link. Kindly anyone share कर दो, जो भी है यहाँ पे share कर दो. So symbolic link is the soft link. How the soft link is created? Soft link path abstract. Yesterday we have discussed कि एक link create होते हैं जो abstract है, actual link नहीं है. That is not the actual link. Okay. So see here how create the soft link or the symbolic link in the Unix. That is ln. Yesterday we told ln minus l, file 1 and link 1. So using this file, we are linking this file 1 with this link. With this link, we are linking this file 1. Then it is the soft link. The soft link created with the command and example would create a soft link named link 1. Link 1 is the link, and using when you are click here, then it is actually connected to the file 1. There is no hard link. Okay. So in that way the soft link is created. This is the command for creating the soft link. Okay. And see the output, how the output is showing. First it was file 1, you are creating the file 1. After that you are linking the file 1 with the link 1. So link 1 is linked with the file 1. Got it? What is soft link and how it is exactly like the HTML anchor tag. You can relate with the HTML anchor tag. Same. Yes. So now yesterday we have discussed some comments. Now today some important points are there what we have to discuss. Please don't be scared and don't think that it's too much. I can understand, but for one day you will getting some problem. But please try to learn one by one. Every day one command. Okay. Don't be confused. Don't be scared. It will be very easy for you because 2 marks, 2 to 4 marks is not a joke. 2 to 4 marks is confirmed if you learn this. So easily you can get the answer. Right. So CH group. Praveen was asking yesterday. Right? CH group example. Praveen, yes. So CH group is the change group ownership. To change group ownership means how CH group. Then after that there are options. Actually there are so many options for every command. For every command there are so many options, but actually the options are related. Same type of option are using for every command. Okay, you can face the so many options are there, but if you learn one by one, it will be easy. So CH group, then option, then reference. How the CH group command changes the group ownership of each given file. Group ownership, matlab your group is there, then for that group, who is the owner? Who is the owner of that group? Like in the you can relate with the WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, we are creating the admin. Right? We are creating the admin and we can change the admin. So if you have a WhatsApp group and you want to change the admin, so how will change? Same way, when in the Linux system or Unix system there is a group and you want to change the admin, that is the owner of the group, then we have to use the CH group. Okay? And the option are, here see the option, some option are there. Directly the description I have already provided. I will not go for every description. Please learn the description. It is very easy. If you learn it, you will get it definitely. Now see the example. See the example. $CH group Oracle admin /user/database means to make Oracle admin the owner of the database directory. This is my database directory, and I am making the admin, Oracle admin, the owner of the directory using this. Clear? This is clear? Right. And please just go through the option. Option means how the option is doing on CH group -C means it will describe the action each file who group actually changes for each file. Now silent -F, -B, -R means recursively. Recursively means folder के अंदर there are subfolder, then after that there are again subfolder. If you do the permission here, means if you say this is the admin, then for all the subfolder it will be the admin. -R, if you use here CH group -R means recursively all directories. Inside all directories it will be the admin, and this -R is using everywhere. For every command -R is there, most of the command. And always remember -R is recursive. This is the recursive means inner structure. Recursively it will apply to all. Got it? Now come to the verbosely describe the action of each file whose group actually changes. Means actually there are so many groups. And actually it will specifically mention कि किसका group change हो रहा है. Whose group means अगर पहले कोई एक different owner था and किसका group change हो रहा है, it will describe means it is you have to describe that कि किसका group था, किसका group change हो रहा है. ठीक है? Yes. And F means silently. Silent means do not print error message about the group cannot be changed. ठीक है, मतलब आपको एरर मैसेज नहीं दिखाएगा, एक कमेंट रन होने के बाद आपको ये पता चलेगा कि किसका ग्रुप चेंज हो रहा है, ठीक है। सारे ऑप्शन इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाट ऑप्शन आर इंपॉर्टेंट आई विल प्रोवाइड यू लाइक दैट। -r is very very important, just go through one, same option are there for every command. Now cat command concatenate the print content, there cat, that is concatenate the print. Concatenate means option is here, then file is there, so concatenate how it is doing. Here also see that A means all, show all. -b means number and not blank, number not blank output line, means it will not count the blank line. -b means it will not count the blank line. -e equivalent to b means here show all, okay. Do not dot indicates concatenation, not here cat, yes, here see that. Yeah, simple dot text is the simple text file. Now this is the simple one text file, there are two text file. Now how we are concatenating? Cat simple text, so we are concatenating here, this is the simple text file. Now cat start dot text, so here see that this is other simple text file, see here what is there, this is the simple text file and this is another simple text file. So when you concatenate using that, we are concatenate, see that we are concatenate, after that it will show cat start dot text means it is showing all, display all the text file, display content of all the text file means start dot txt means all the text file it will show. For this type of also, and here concatenate, now here concatenate, actually cat is using for different purpose. Sometimes we are showing all the file for the txt, sometimes showing for one file, and there is another purpose, that is concatenate. There are three purpose, you can see there are three purpose exactly with the name, means it is showing the only the content. Then using the start dot txt means all dot txt will be shown, all dot txt, here simple one, simple this two txt is there, all here showing. Now concatenate, now see that cat simple text and simple one text, two simple two text means we are concatenating two text file and we are showing through the simple two text file. Now simple two text file will create it will create new text file and this new text file will merge this two line, this two line is merging here, so this is showing here. Got it? Got my point? What are the purpose of cat? Cat is using, you can show the content using cat also, you can show all the file using cat also, and you can concatenate also. Clear? I think from the example it will be clear, clearly the example is given. Yes, now come to the cd. cd means change directory, we are changing the directory. Yes, concatenate and show, हाँ concatenate भी होता है, show भी होता है, यहाँ पे concatenate होने का कुछ भी नहीं है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ आप एक फाइल है, one file is there, that's why one file is showing. Now cd means changing the directory, we are changing the directory using the cd. Now there are some tag, -p means do not follow the symbolic link, मतलब symbolic link we just read, what are the symbolic link, -p use करेंगे तो वहाँ पे symbolic link it will not allow, okay, and -l will follow the symbolic link, okay, that is the two tag. -l means symbolic link भी वहाँ पे show करेगा, -p means it will not follow the symbolic link. See how this is the structure, cd, this is the folder name. Now pwd means yesterday we have discussed pwd. What is pwd? What is pwd? Password. pwd current working directory, only Surender is current, present working directory. Yesterday we have discussed pwd means present working directory, right? Current present working directory. So now change, we are changing anywhere we are there, then we change it, then we change our directory, then pwd means it will show the directory. Why? Because we have changed our directory using the cd. Clear? Clear? The cd command. Now see here cd dot dot. cd dot dot means parent. It will change the parent. It will come to the parent. cd dot dot. cd dot means one. It will come one. मतलब एक shift होगा. यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे कहाँ पे थे? var local log. Now it is now here user local simple. One step back. Yes, one step back. Dot means one step back. Dot dot means two step back. Parent. It will come to the parent. Here see user local. It is coming here. Just check one by one. It will be more easy for you. Here simple was there. After that pwd, then cd here log. Now after cd dot log is not there. Here local. Here there local. Now cd dot dot this local. After that cd this. Clear? Yes. Now there again some option are there. Same option. See, same option are there. -t, -b, -c, -c, r. Same option are here. Okay. And this is the ch mode. Yesterday we have. Yesterday we have ch mode. We learned, right? We learned ch mode. So this is the description of ch mode, and in the ch mode also there are the option -r is also here in the ch mode, means total permission. Total here is the parent folder, now child folder, after that child folder, all will be permission. And this is the numerical mode. We know that 777 how it is coming. Yesterday discussed, right? Here is no doubt, I think. There is no doubt, I think. ch mode में. तो यहाँ पे 40004 so many example I have written. So from this example it will be more clear. So many examples here. Just go through this. And symbolic mode also we have discussed yesterday. Symbolic mode means plus and rwx. That is the symbolic mode. A-x. We discuss all execute. We are giving permission to execute. All user will give the execute permission, that is A-x. Now A plus R, allow read permission to all. Now file readable and writable to the group user means GO plus read write. Here we are giving GO plus read write means all the group user will get group and other. GO means group and other. We are giving the permission read and write. And always remember plus means with the existing permission. We are adding the permission with the existing permission. A-x. Here A-x is execute permission to all user, denying. It is denying. Denying means first execute permission was there. Always remember minus means we are denying and plus means we are adding. From the there are some existing permission will be there. So from the existing permission minus means we are revoke. We revoke the permission and plus means we are adding the permission. Okay, yes. We are denying the permission to all. denying execute permission to everyone. Now UX means shell executable to user. Just go through it, everything will be clear, I think. Now Monica was asking yesterday what is the difference, and everyone was asking what is the difference between chmod and chon, CHOWN, right? What is the difference? So see the difference. CHOWN is to change owner. It is changing the owner, change the user and the group ownership of each given file. What we are doing using chmod, we are giving the permission, that is read, write, execute. That is the permission, read, write, execute. And here we are changing the owner, own, OWN means own. Our mod means yes, like admin, and mod means it is the mode of access. Remember like that. Mode means mode of access, that is read, write and execute. And own means changing the owner. That is the difference. That is the difference between chmod and chown. Own means owner and mode means mode of access. Clear? So we are changing the owner here using, see that CHOWN, now option, now new owner. We are adding a new owner of the file. We are adding a new group of the file, and we are referencing a file, right? See here, there are some example. Using the example, it will be clear to you. That is the owner, that is the group, and this is the owner, this is the group. Both use permission. Ma'am, both use permission. We are changing the owner, total owner we are changing here. And mode is mode of access, read, write and execute. We are giving the permission to the group or user or owner. But here we are changing the owner, adding user, change owner, adding user. It is to the, related to the person. CHOWN is related to the person and chmod is related to the access permission of the data. Got it? Clear? The difference is clear. And here also some option for the CH, same option, minus C, minus F, minus H, minus R, minus B. Actually for all the command there are same type of option are there. Just go through it. Now see that example, CHOWN user 1 simple text means we are, user 1 is the owner of simple text, now is the owner. Now see here my group means change the group. We are changing the group of this text file. Now both owner and group for a single command. See here, this is the group and from that group this is the owner. This is the owner. User 1 is the owner of the file text. Clear? Clear to everyone? Yes. Now grep. Actually grep, for the grep there is a huge list. Please don't be confused with the list. That list, just go through the list. Grep is for pattern matching. Most of the time they are asking the pattern from the regular expression. Most of the time they are searching for the regular expression, not other than that. So there are different type of E grep, F grep, like that. Grep searches the name input file. Yes, name input file and that input number of file, name of the file and containing match pattern. By default grep prints the matching line. By default it is printing the matching line, and in addition two variables, that is E grep and F grep. E grep is same as grep minus E and F grep is same grep minus F. See here, grep minus E, that is pattern, and minus F, that is file. Pattern E minus E is showing the pattern here and minus F is adding the file here. Means we are adding here pattern. Maybe your regular expression or anything you have to add in the pattern, and minus F means from which file you are searching. This is the file from which file you are searching. Okay, clear? And directly this is, if you directly, that is the grep option, then after that pattern, then after that file. Now see here, there are so many options. Please don't be confused with the option. There are so many options. Just go through once the option. This is the option of grep command. This is the option of grep command. Now just remember, according to me, I think it is enough. If you remember this regular expression, and this regular expression will be helpful to everyone. This is the caret, means it denotes the beginning of the regular expression. Dollar, it is ending of the regular expression. Square, what happened Monica? क्या हुआ? Just इसको याद रखो. We have to learn all of this. नहीं, ये इसको इतना याद करने का जरूरत नहीं है. इतना याद करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Just एक बार चेक करो. ठीक है, प्रीति, don't be scared. Just go through it one time. You can remember it, and you have to mainly concentrate here. They are mainly asking from regular expression. Yes, mainly. So I have already provided some chart for the regular expression. See here, bracket means that is check single character in the character, inside the character, that is inside the bracket. Inside the parenthesis means check the string. Now question mark means check occurrence. This is checking the occurrence. Plus means check one or more occurrence. Plus means one or more. We learn in the TOC. Plus means one or more, and star means 0 or more. Check any number of occurrence, including 0. I told you, from the TOC concept you can learn it. All the chart I provide you. If any confusion is there, please go through this chart. It will be more helpful for you all. Just go through it and let me know if there any confusion. So many charts are there. Just go through it. Let me know. कोई confusion है तो बताओ. Confusion है कोई यहाँ पे? Yes, 10th one. हाँ, 10th one. यहाँ पे escaping the character, escaping from the normal way of subsequent character. मतलब यहाँ पे कोई escape करना है आपको. कुछ character आपको नहीं लेना है, escape करना है. Some character आपको escape करना है, मतलब A, B, like after that C, then D. So we want to escape this. This will be not there, like that. Escaping character. We want to escape that character. Different between 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Question mark and star. Question mark is 0 or 1 occurrence of preceding character. मतलब preceding या इसके पहले कौन सा है? Star means सारे occurrence. मतलब A, B के बाद star. If you write like that कि A, B के बाद star means anything can be there. And if you like that कि A के बाद after that this, so multiple time of A. आपको एक छोटा example देती हूँ. रुकिए. From example it will be more clear. Just 1 minute. देखो यहाँ पे स्टार मीन्स एनी कैरेक्टर मीन्स मल्टीपल कैरेक्टर, एनी नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर इंक्लूडिंग नल. दिस इज एनी नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर इंक्लूडिंग नल, राइट? एंड दिस इज मीन ए सिंगल कैरेक्टर. Single character can be there, means here after that maybe A, C, anything can be there between A and B. Between A and B, anything, any one, not multiple, any one can be there. But A star B means multiple character can be there or it can be null also. Got it? Got it? Okay. चलो और बाकी कोई कंफ्यूजन? यहाँ पे कोई कंफ्यूजन? मैम लास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन आया पैटर्न मैचिंग में. हाँ तो पैटर्न मैचिंग इसीलिए तो बोल रही हूँ. करवा दो, एक क्वेश्चन करवा देंगे तो वही आएगा क्या? एक क्वेश्चन करवा देने से मैं तो डेफिनेटली आएगा क्वेश्चन है, तो एक क्वेश्चन करवाने से हो जाएगा. आपको कांसेप्ट तो क्लियर करना है ना, कांसेप्ट क्लियर करो तो तब आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन कर पाओगे. क्वेश्चन है, डोंट वरी. सो इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू द क्वेश्चन. क्लियर हो गया? जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है, एक बार देख लो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी है बहुत कुछ, मैचिंग एलिमेंट सारे हैं. नाउ सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. चार्ट, बहुत सारा चार्ट आपको मिल जाएगा, डोंट वरी. आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग चार्ट एवरी टाइम. Yesterday we have discussed about the Linux system, right? This question was there. Still wrong answer. Sanjeev Bawa, Sunita Prachi, Jojan, Subhangi class, correct. Monali, Simu, Priti, Santosh, good. Yesterday we have discussed ki this is the time sharing, right? This is we discussed this is the time sharing operating system and it is primitive priority scheduling, means it is according to the priority it is going on. That's why it is primitive priority and time sharing. पोल नहीं दिख रहा है, आप अपडेट कर लो तो ज्योति. शायद आप आपका ऐप अपडेट नहीं है क्या? हो सकता है ऐप पे प्रॉब्लम है. बाकी सबको तो दिख रहा है, बाकी सबको तो दिख रहा है. चलो अभी कर लो. दिस इज द कैरेक्टर मैचिंग पैटर्न. मोनिका, आई नीड आंसर फ्रॉम यू. मोनिका का इसमें गलत नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? ओनली सुरेंद्र, सिमू ब्लंडर हो गए. क्या ब्लंडर कर दिया आप? रॉन्ग हो गए ना. चलो, दैट्स व्हाई प्लीज ट्राई टू लर्न द चार्ट. Please try to learn the chart. If you learn the chart, any regular expression you can easily solve. See here, which of the following Unix or Linux command file it is having .c and .h. It is asking having .c and .h as their extension in the current working directory. Current working directory, and it want to show. Okay, so WC minus L. WC minus L is the current working directory here. After that, what it is doing? Means it will show the and C here. Dot is here and CH. मतलब dot के बाद C भी हो सकते हैं, H भी हो सकते हैं. There is dot C and H. After dot, it can be C or it can be H. Here, C here. Yes, set of character. Set of character A to M. ब्रैकेट के अंदर कुछ भी है मतलब सेट ऑफ कैरेक्टर. ठीक है. एंड यहाँ पे क्या है ऑप्शन? WC माइनस L. कैट के अंदर WC माइनस L मतलब वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी. वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी के माइनस L मतलब ऑल एवरीथिंग. माइनस L कहाँ पे ऑप्शन था देखो? कैट में माइनस L मतलब सारे दिखाता है. लिंक, सॉफ्ट लिंक भी आपको शो करेगा. सॉफ्ट लिंक कहाँ पे है? कैट. यस, सॉफ्ट लिंक इज शोइंग. कहाँ गए कैट? माइनस L. माइनस L मतलब सॉफ्ट लिंक भी शो होते हैं. ऑनलाइन काउंट. सॉफ्ट लिंक के लिए क्या था? एक WC माइनस L एक्चुअली. हाँ, हर एक लाइन के लिए वर्ड काउंट. हाँ, LN यस, LN वाज सॉफ्ट लिंक. यस, यहाँ पे आपको जस्ट देखना है कैसे करना है. यहाँ पे आपको बस देखना है WC माइनस L तो हर एक के लिए ही है, वर्ड काउंट कर रहा है फॉर द लाइन. एंड आपको जस्ट देखना है .C एंड .H. तो इसमें देखो क्या है? स्टार .ch. स्टार .ch मतलब क्या है? स्टार मतलब इसके पहले कोई भी है .ch एक्सटेंशन का हर एक को शो करेगा. इट विल शो ऑल द फाइल ऑफ .ch एक्सटेंशन. राइट, इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. नाउ हियर इट इज शोइंग फ्रॉम C to H मतलब C D E F G H everything will be show. Everything. It is the meaning. This one C H means inside C and H it will be .C then .D then .E then .F everything. That's why it is not correct. It is showing only C and H. Now come to this option. Here it is LS minus L. LS minus L and here it is WC minus L. LS minus L मतलब यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है आपको कि which of the Unix and Linux will count the number. WC is counting the number and LS is showing the number line. LS is for all line and WC is counting. So that's why here it is asking count the number of line. That's why WC. Clear? Clear? That's why this is the answer. LS minus L, it's showing all the line, and WC minus L, it is counting, word count. It is actually word count. Okay? That's why this is the answer. Got it? Now do this. Try to solve this one. Yes. ये सबका नोन आंसर है, नोन क्वेश्चन. इट इज ए नोन क्वेश्चन, राइट? जस्ट दिसंबर 2019 का क्वेश्चन, 18. So Linux operating system environment command used to print. Print is LPR. LPR. Yes. ठीक है. Now try to solve this question. It is very easy. It is very easy. ये तो 1 मिनट में हो जाएगा. इसमें तो 100% आएगा. फिर भी गलत. Still wrong answer. क्यों? क्यों आप लोग रंग कर रहा है यार? अच्छा, टाइप गलत हो गए. क्लास में, यही क्लास में है. एलपीआर कमांड नहीं किया आप तो हो गए ना. एलपीआर कमांड आप तो हो गए. एलपीआर कमांड में क्या होते हैं, तो ये भी तो क्लास में ही हुआ ना. ठीक है, तो अभी देखो, इट इज द फॉर्क. आंसर नहीं देखे ना आप लोग? आंसर देख लिए क्या आप लोग? आंसर आ गए, सॉरी. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन था, और पे चले गए थे. सो यूनिक्स कमांड सब डायरेक्टरी प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूटेबल टू ऑल, दैट इज -r a+x. -r a+x, दिस इज द एग्जीक्यूटेबल टू ऑल. हाँ, -r just executable to subdirectories because of this subdirectories. Recursive. Just now I told you -r means recursive, means subdirectory. Here, parent, child, all the subdirectory will be given. Just now I told you, right? Yes. Now do this. Stuck? No, not stuck. मोनिका में क्या है? लिनक्स कमांड, यूनिक्स कमांड. लिनक्स और यूनिक्स का बहुत सारा कमांड सेम है. लिनक्स इज कमिंग, यूनिक्स इज कमिंग फ्रॉम यूनिक्स. ठीक है, लिनक्स और यूनिक्स का कमांड सेम है. बहुत सारा कमांड सेम है. दैट इज द पेरेंट ऑफ यूनिक्स. लिनक्स, पहले यूनिक्स आए थे, उसके बाद लिनक्स आए. ठीक है, हाँ, इन फर्स्ट क्लास आई टोल्ड दैट आल्सो. So Unix provide the 3 types of permission: read, write, execute, and Unix provide 3 set of permission, that is group, owner, and others. We already discussed, so both are correct. Now try to solve this. Easy है, right? It is a easy question. हो गए, सबका हो गए? Very good. चलो, so create process means here it is creating, right? 3 proc and everything is fine. Now tell me a regular expression. How can you get all the files with R, G or I at the 3rd position in their file name in the current directory. Question is clear to everyone? Now option is ls star rgi star. Option B is ls star star rgi, then this. Now option C is ls star rgi star. Now option D is ls dot I star. बताओ कौन सा होगा? ठीक है, I am starting the poll. Nicely done, very good. Surinder, Sunita, Sanjeev, Monali, Jojan. Good, very good. So it is clear to everyone, right? So many of you correct answer. So it is asking all the file name R and G. 5 with R and G, or at the third position. It is in the third position. So third position means what I have told. This is starting. This is for the 1. Means exclamation. This is the question mark. Means it is counting only 1. Only 1 occurrence will be there. And star means multiple occurrence can be there, and it can be null. Right? I told you. So here first option, it is there only 1 star, but it is asking third position. In the third position there is R, G and I. R, G or I. Third position. So we know in the third bracket R, G, I means either R or G or R. I. Now you have to get the third position. How we can get the third position? Means this is my first position, this is my second position, then after that this is my third position. First, second, and this is the third position. In the third position anything can be there. And after that star. Star means after this anything can be there. That's why this is the answer. Got it? Got it? So I think from this example everything is clear. I think from this example everything is clear to you. Try to practice some question from the regular expression. If I got some question, I will provide you some question. I'll provide you some question if I get somewhere. Okay. And please try to go. Monica, please आप भी थोड़ा ट्राई कीजिए ना कहीं पे सर्च करने के लिए. मैं तो आप लोगों को इतना प्रोवाइड करती हूँ, आप लोग भी थोड़ा ट्राई कीजिए ना कि सर्च करके देखिए ना कहीं पे क्वेश्चन मिलता है तो. हाँ, आप लोग भी थोड़ा ट्राई कीजिए खुद से कि कहीं पे क्वेश्चन मिल रहा है तो. मैं तो ट्राई करती हूँ मेरे पास जितना रहते हैं. हाँ. So yes, 9:30 quiz is there, and 7 p.m. there is special class. Special class is there for networking, IPv4 header format. IPv4 header format. It is very important. ठीक है, it is very important. Please try to attend the class. चलो, bye. कल वाला रिशेड्यूल क्विज 25th मतलब tomorrow. पता नहीं क्यों रिशेड्यूल करते, कभी-कभी आने में टीम से ना रिशेड्यूल हो जाते हैं, पता नहीं क्यों होता है ऐसा. What I am doing, I am adding some 3 to 4 question before one day. After आपका क्लास लेने के बाद मैं बाकी क्वेश्चन ऐड करती हूँ. तो कभी-कभी उन लोगों को लगता है कि 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन है मतलब रिशेड्यूल कर दो. बिना पूछ के ही वो लोग रिशेड्यूल कर देते हैं, पता नहीं क्यों. हाँ 12 आवर्स पहले मैं क्वेश्चन ऐड कर देती हूँ. क्या होता है कि 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन ऐड करती हूँ, उसके बाद मैंने बाकी क्वेश्चन ऐड कर देती हूँ. तो कभी-कभी वो लोगों को लगता है नहीं रिशेड्यूल करना है तो कर देते हैं. बस ऐसे ही हो गए. डू यू हैव विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम लेक्चर? नहीं, विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का तो कोई नो क्वेश्चन इज कमिंग लाइक दैट. Mainly question is coming from Unix. Operating system we have completed in this course, crash course. Jojan, please check the crash course. So many things are there from the crash course. That is the 9:30 crash course. Especially not Windows, all the operating system. Just go for this. In this course, and this is the previous year's question in this course. You will get everything for the operating system. Okay, Jojan. Syllabus. Jojan, please try to join the group. There everything will be available to you. Please try to join the group. Everyone who are new here, please try to join the group. For any query, you can ask me directly. Bye. I think already provide by the student. Quiz topic, discrete math, propositional logic, state relation function. Bye.